Hey, lips. Here, try it. Wait, go stand by Chaz and do it. Can you go stand over by Chaz and look at me? Zach, or Chaz, can you blow? Blow. Oh, don't throw it. Blow. Paxton, can you show me how you can blow into those lips? Please, you threw it. If you wanted it, why did you throw it? Don't throw it or it's gone. Paxton, can you go get the lips for Zach? We'll try it one more time. Oh, excuse you. Thank you.